to create a Windows 11 bootable USB to bypass system requirements. Insert a USB flash drive with at least 8 gigabytes of space. Download Rufus. Get the latest version from the official Rufus website. Download Windows 11 ISO. Go to the official Microsoft website and download the Windows 11 disk image ISO. Double-click the Rufus executable file to launch the tool. When user account control windows appears, click the Yes button. Select the flash drive to create a Windows 11 bootable USB drive in the Device section. Click the Select button. Select the Windows 11 ISO file. Select the GPT option under the Partition Scheme section. To check the partition scheme GPT or MBR in Windows 11, right-click the Start button, select Disk Management, right-click Disk 0 or Desired Drive, choose Properties and click the Volumes tab to see partition style. Choose the UEFI non-CSM option under the Target System section. Specify a descriptive name for the bootable USB flash drive under the volume label section. Use the default settings for the file system and cluster size options. Click the Start button. When revoked UEFI bootloader detected message pop-ups, click the OK button. Then Windows User Experience Windows pop-ups. Make sure these three boxes are checked. If not, check the remove requirement for 4 GB. Learn Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 option to install version 25H2 on unsupported hardware. Check the remove requirement for an online Microsoft account option to set up Windows 11 without a Microsoft account using a local account. Select the create a local account with username option, then specify the account name to install the operating system with a local account. Click the OK button. Rufus warning message will appear. Click the OK button. On the status sections when green line completed, click the cancel button. Once you complete the steps, Rufus will create a bootable USB drive to install version 25H2 on unsupported hardware.